Has a bit of a Hollywood hotel look to it.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Bigger than I expected.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, make the band. Gosh, where we made? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch!
Woohoo! It's broken away. Oh, that's smart. How good is this?
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! Yahoo! We'll be right down! We made it! Nothing can stop us now! We have to stop them before they go over the... That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's... Oh, we have to shut down! Just do this!
That's why you don't take a wet pickle to a baking soda factory.
Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of these things? I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Oh, Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing
stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We had one crazy ride. Come with you by my side. The stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us now. The stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us now.
Gosh, what's this lever do? Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
That was not expected. That ride's excellent. Much better than I thought it was going to be. How cool.